Good morning, everyone. Joining you here Wednesday morning, October 18th, and we're first talking about some incoming potential light rain, maybe sprinkles, probably at best, with the coming of a weak cold front. You can kind of see a line of those showers kind of making their way through the Tri-Cities right now, and kind of west of Lincoln along I-80 right now, a little bit maybe closer towards the northern portions of Lancaster too, but that's if we're lucky. I think a lot of this is evaporating before it gets to the ground because we do have some good dry air in place. So very, very light rain possible here within the next half hour or so. And this is really our best chance for rain as we go through the rest of the day today. There's another shot tonight, but mainly off towards our north and east as the center of the low pressure system that this front is associated with kind of slides by to the east later this afternoon. But here is a look at that line of showers kind of moving through. You can kind of see the lower, kind of low-hanging bits of this that kind of indicate maybe some rain is happening, but it kind of looks like even from this angle that it's evaporating before it kind of reaches the ground. So can't rule out maybe a few sprinkles as this kind of moves through here this morning, and then behind that front we're also going to see some stronger winds. But temperatures in the 50s this morning. We're trading out the 30s of the past few days for 50s starting off Wednesday morning, so a lot of us anywhere from about 15 close to 25 degrees warmer than we were around this time yesterday. And yesterday was some of the coldest temperatures we'd seen of the season so far. So a milder start to your day, but a little bit of a cooler afternoon with some of those winds factoring in out of the northwest. Temperatures aren't going to be able to warm up as much, and we'll see a little bit of clearing through the late morning, early afternoon hours before more cloud cover comes in from the north. And really most of us should stay dry through much of the day today, but still can't rule out some of those sprinkles. And in talking about those winds picking up, they could be anywhere from about 30 to 35 mile per hour wind gusts through much of this afternoon, keeping us just a tad bit cooler and a bit windy for your Wednesday. And so other than that, small chance through much of this morning and some light chances for, again, not much to accumulate, maybe a couple hundredths of an inch if you're lucky, off to the north and east tonight. But we're pretty dry through much of this period. I've seen maybe some small chances for Sunday that we may have to factor in as we get closer to Sunday. But other than that, we'll see more cloud cover move in Monday, and then it looks like the next potential storm system Tuesday, potentially bringing some stronger storms. We'll be watching for that. But you see 70s through much of this forecast, especially towards the end of this week. Temperatures in the middle 70s for Friday. Going to be weather to take advantage of. We love seeing this be our temperature stretch, or just kind of our current situation going through the middle and end of October. Great to look at that. Also, just a tidbit of what I've seen out there, not particularly for Halloween itself, but the Climate Prediction Center puts out little outlooks, which I haven't pulled up here, which I probably should have. My bad. But the Climate Prediction Center puts out little outlooks for probabilities of what we'll see warmer than average, cooler than average kind of temperature outlooks, and then precipitation outlooks too. And just a hint for the Halloween period, or the next 8 to 14 days I've seen, it's hinting at some cooler temperatures as well as some rain chances, some more better chances to see above average precipitation through that period. So we'll keep an eye on that. That's pretty far out at this point, but again, always trying to look out for the best for you guys, and Halloween right around the corner. So everyone have a great Wednesday, and we'll get through the rest of this week together. And yeah, looking forward to the end of this week because the weather looks great.